So as promised, well, actually I didn't promise, but I'm a woman of my words. We're here. It's partially dry. Still waiting for the bake, but yeah, man, I'm done editing the video. Let's get it. Hey, it's your favorite voiceover. What? It's your favorite voiceover artist. So I'm gonna spray with this spray over there, and it's not all product. It's probably like 80% water in there, and it was the remainder of the product from my natural hair days. This is bomb.com. If you're a natural and you really want definition, you need to get this thing. Anyways, and I'm using this brush that I just showed y'all. I got it from Take a Lot. Can you see the definition? Wow, guys, like this video is going too fast for me. What the hell? Now we're here. Oh my god. I'ma just shut up. Me too. Spraying and combing, baby. Spraying and combing. Simple things, hey? Simple things, yeah. So as you can see, while I'm combing it, the definition is crazy. It is crazy. Guys, I really don't know what to say. Okay, that part was a bit dry. I had to spray it again. And you can see like magic. Look at the shine. Look at the shine, girl. Boy, you see these curls? Telling you. Anyways, I'm just gonna comb through and scrunch. It's mousse time. So I bought Aunt Jackie because it was actually cheaper than the ORS. I was shook, and Aunt Jackie is a very good brand. So as is she. Yeah, I'm just gonna comb through the mousse and look at it doing its things. And it didn't have to do a lot because that water and natural twist and set lotion did the things. It laid the foundation. So moisture is very important, guys. You gotta lay that foundation. Okay, all right, just combing it through with this brush. This is actually a shower brush I got from Take a Lot. It's called Dewy. Yeah, Dewy. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna keep combing it through so that the curls clump up and look juicy. Look at it. You look at it so juicy. Oh, gotta get the back. Wow, that was on sync. I didn't even plan it. Okay, that's me putting some product at the back. I didn't put enough, so I'm going in again. And I'm gonna take my Dewy again and just, brush through. The reason why I'm using this is I'm scared to use a normal comb. I don't want to ruin the curls, so juicy.